I took a little break and I was right next to the Hollywood sign. Ended up taking some videos, and man, this is fun. This is one of the reasons why I love driving Uber. And she gave me a tip: $73, 3 passengers, 1 cancellation. And this is my style of driving. Take it easy, relax. It's noon. I would like to be at $100, but it's all good. Now I need to decide which way to go. So let's see if we can figure this out together. First, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on UberX. We're going to turn on Pet, because out here in Hollywood, you know, people got animals and who knows, they might need a ride. There's no need to go to Burbank because it was slow yesterday. It's showing full. And if I look over here, full, 16 out of 20, and the time is 12. I don't think it's a good idea right now, right? So Burbank is no go. All right, now let's look over here. The clouds right here are showing that there is some activity in Los Angeles. So that's a possibility. Like, I can take the freeway, go here, see if I can pick up someone. If not, go here. Oh no, look at that. It's all, what is going on? $22? Impossible. Yeah, that's a lie, guys. That's 22. How is there a $22 surge if there's 126 people? This is fake, right? But let's just double check. Let's just double check. Yeah, this is fake. That's a fake surge. That's algorithms tripping. Look, you have 126 people, you have 66, you have 46. It's still a good opportunity to go that way, but it's fake. Okay, I'm just letting you know it's fake. Do not fall for that. But let's look over here. Malibu's surging. This is by Pepperdine, right? And this is important because there's not a lot of drivers out here, right? And this is how I basically figure out which way I should go. So what would you do? Let me ask you, if you drive in Los Angeles. Let's take Long Beach while we're at it. Long Beach is showing 3111, 6 out of 10 for Uber XL. And at 12 o'clock, it's peaking. At 1, 2, 3, it's going to go down, and then it's going to go back up. So Long Beach is not a good idea. I think I'm going to do, well, let me let you think. What would you do? You're over here, and I know, you know, we don't agree on everything, right? You have your way of driving, I have my way of driving, but what would you do? This is what I'm thinking, right? And hopefully you've had enough time, or you can pause the video and decide, and then I'm going to give you my answer, okay? So number one, I am not going to go this way. It was slow yesterday. It's a little slow today, and I'm done with it, right? So I want to basically continue going towards where it's showing where the money is. One option is over here. I think it's worth trying. 2, I think it's worth going to the fake surge. 3, Malibu's over here. I think it's worth it over there, right? So this is basically what I'm thinking about doing. I'm going to go towards LA, and then if I don't pick up anybody, then maybe I'll go this way and end up in Los Angeles. So do something like this. Hopefully I pick up somebody. If not, then we'll figure out what to do. And I'll let you guys know, right? I'm posting every time I'm picking up somebody. Every time I'm picking up somebody, or every opportunity that comes in, I'll show you. Like, if I get too many $5 rides, I'll stop. But as long as Uber is showing me little cherry picking, I'll say no, and then show you what I'm picking up. Okay? Here we go. We're going to get started. We're going to use this as a guide, so I can use it as a navigation to get out of here. And as a bonus, okay, so this is important to know too. Where there's traffic, there tends to be possibilities because there's less Uber drivers. So I think this is a good move. Yeah, this is actually, Uber's doing exactly what I want, right? Well, not exactly, because I was thinking about going this way. I was thinking about going this way, and I'll tell you why. This is dodgy area. It's not safe driving Uber here. This is dodgy. This is not safe driving over here, right? So these I kind of avoid, but I'm willing to take a chance here to see if I can get 20 bucks. If not, then I'm going to end up over here. But check this out. Let me give you guys a little surprise. I hope you guys like surprises, right? Because we all love surprises. Okay, check this out. This is my surprise for you. So this is a picture I took. This is a video I created. I was driving. It was kind of hard, but I think the vertical video came out pretty decent. Look at that. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. That's where I ended up after I dropped off the last passenger. Hollywood sign. All right, I'm on my way. It changed to $11 now. But you know, and I know, there is a hallucination right here, or there's some sort of lie. Something is not right. Something is dodgy over here. But I will keep you posted. All right, first opportunity. Yeah. Hey, this is better than $3. It's double. At least it's not $3. When it comes $2.78, that's where I'm like, really? Well, thank you, Uber. I appreciate this, but we're gonna pass. Sure, we'll take it. Stop being racist, Uber. 28. Come on, mash me up, baby. Mash me up. I'm about to leave. I'm leaving. Goya. Thank you. Where do I go? Exit. Oh, no. I don't have to exit. Thank you, Uber. That was very nice and very kind of you. I appreciate it. Now I got to take my notes while I'm driving on the freeway. That's not fun, but it's all good. All right, guys. This is how you train the algorithm, right? I have basically got it to a point where when I relocate, this is a secret. When I'm leaving for 30 minutes and I'm going to LAX, the algorithm knows that they're not going to get any more money out of me. Because the algorithm knows they're not going to get any more money out of me, what does it do? It still gives me something. Why? Because if I'm not making money, Uber's not making money. If Uber's not making money, I'm not making money. And that's 30 minutes of time wasted. Another hour I will spend at LAX relaxing, hanging out with people, doing my thing, right? And Uber is what? No, they don't like that. They need us to be making money, because if we're making money, the algorithm's making money. So how do I explain this to you guys? I guess what I'm trying to communicate here is you have to train the algorithm to respect your style of driving. And if you don't do that, it's going to keep abusing you, it's going to keep taking advantage of you, right? If you take a UberXshare ride, it's going to keep giving you UberXshare rides. Why? Because it's dumb. The algorithm, I don't know how to explain it to you, but algorithm's dumb. It has no heart, it has no morals, it has no ethics, right? It's designed to do one thing: make money for the CEO so he can get a $65 billion or $1 million bonus, right? And the CEO's job is what? To respond to the board, right? The board who is behind Uber, they're in charge. And who's behind the board for Uber and Lyft? The lobbyists, the politicians, right? Now you know, right? Because why? They get a cut. They get a cut out of this stuff, right? They get a cut. This is why they love apps like this, right? To enslave us and take advantage of us. Now I'm going to post this video.